So, on any question where we're trying to figure out whether it's linear or exponential, I'm becoming a huge fan of just going right into Desmos and just typing it in. Now, the reason that's really beneficial is because initially looking at this, I might just be thinking, oh, they're doubling every time. It must be exponential. However, that would only be true if the x coordinate, which they're calling w, were increasing by the same amount. But notice this too is doubling every time. So I want you to notice what that actually does when we put it into this table here. So in Desmos, we're going to press plus, table, and we could even change this instead of x1 to w and change y1 to c, just to make it really easy on ourselves. We'll do 1, enter, 2, enter, 4, and we keep going here. And then we'll be able to quickly type these in as well, which is why it's so important for you to get used to just using Desmos over and over so that you're comfortable with the functionality. Now we'll click here on Add Regression, and notice by default it shows a linear regression model. Now looking at this, it looks like it's hitting all these points absolutely perfectly. We could even pop this equation out here so we could see it in red now. But let's contrast that with if we went here to exponential. So with the exponential model, which is, they're showing it here in this black equation now it's blue by popping it out, that doesn't really match as well. In fact, you can see, here, let's zoom in a little bit. You can see for the blue one doesn't hit all those points. Like for example, it didn't hit this point, whereas the red one did. So we can see, same thing here, right? It's hitting this point for the red function, not for the blue. Down here, same thing. So it's not following an exponential regression model. It is following a linear model. And so we know we can go ahead and eliminate the ones that mention exponential. And with linear, it's always going to be because it's a constant rate of increase or decrease. Because it's a positive slope, it's a constant rate of increase. And that slope is 30. So that matches perfectly with A. When it's linear, you don't talk about a percentage increase. That's more of an exponential kind of concept. So that was a little bit of a concept that didn't really make sense with linear. So again, the correct answer is A.